Welcome, viewers. Today's video will equip you with the essential strategies for building and leading a successful network marketing team. We'll cover identifying key individuals who are passionate and goal-oriented, creating a structured onboarding process, providing continuous training and development opportunities, and mastering the art of leadership and motivation. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to assemble and guide your network marketing team toward success. Let's get started. Identifying potential team members is the first crucial step in building a successful network marketing team. Look for individuals who exhibit a strong passion for the industry, have clear goals and the drive to achieve them, and possess excellent communication skills. These traits are foundational because passionate individuals stay motivated. Goal-oriented members keep the team focused, and strong communicators ensure effective collaboration and relationship building. By selecting team members with these characteristics, you're setting up a solid base for your network marketing team's success. An effective onboarding process is vital for integrating new members into your network marketing team. It should be structured to clearly explain the company's products, culture, and sales strategies from the very beginning. This helps new recruits feel confident and self-assured as they start their journey. A well-designed onboarding process ensures that everyone is on the same page, understands their roles, and is equipped with the knowledge to succeed. Investing time in thorough onboarding will set the stage for a cohesive, productive, and motivated team. Continuous training and development are essential for maintaining an effective network marketing team. Regular workshops, webinars, and personal mentoring sessions keep team members motivated and well-informed. These training opportunities ensure that everyone stays updated on the latest industry trends, sales techniques, and product knowledge. By investing in ongoing education, you not only enhance the skills and abilities of your team, but also keep them engaged and committed to the company's goals. Consistent training helps build a strong, adaptable team ready to tackle any challenges that come their way. Effective leadership and motivation are pivotal to the success of your network marketing team. As a leader, it's essential to inspire and drive your team by recognizing their achievements and providing constructive feedback. Celebrating successes boosts morale and encourages continued effort, while constructive feedback helps individuals grow and improve. Leading by example sets a standard for your team to follow, demonstrating the behaviors and work ethic expected. By focusing on these leadership qualities, you create a supportive and motivating environment where your team can thrive and achieve their full potential.